In this lesson, we will finish the twist systems for the ankles. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we'll do is go ahead and figure out the twist axis. So clearly that's going to be the y-axis this time. All right, great, good to know. Let's go ahead and get to it. The first thing we'll do is create a point helper. That way we can zero out the local space of our ankle bone. I'll make this a box helper. We'll now use Alt-A to align to our ankle bone. Nice. From there, let's go ahead and rename the object. That's going to be PT0L ankle. Nice. All right, so from here, what I'd like to do is go ahead and link this to the shin bone. Great. Next, let's go ahead and freeze its transforms. And then we'll take our ankle bone and link to its new parent. Nice. Remember, once we have linked, we'll then want to freeze our transforms. Let's now go ahead and take this helper and we'll store it in our hidden layer. And then we'll clone it and bring it over to the right half. So we'll go ahead and rename it from here. That's PT0R ankle. We'll now use Alt-A to align to the ankle bone. Wonderful. All right, so it has been renamed. It's aligned to the correct object. Let's go ahead and link to our shin bone. Once we've managed to do that, we can then go ahead and freeze our transforms. And then we can take the ankle bone and link to our helper. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and freeze the bone. Great. All right, it's now time to set up our expose nodes. Let's go ahead and create one, add it to the scene. We'll now use Alt-A to align to the left ankle. Nice. Let's go ahead and grab our linking tool, and we'll link to the shin bone. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and freeze the expose node's transforms. Great. Let's also rename it. That's going to be expose L ankle. Nice. All right, once we've done that, we can then go to our modify panel and expose the left ankle. Sweet. Let's go ahead and have a look at our local values. They're all zeroed out. Very nice. Let's do the same thing for the right side. We'll create a new expose node. We'll now go ahead and align it to our ankle bone, and we'll link to the shin. All right, great. Now let's go ahead and freeze our transforms. And then we'll rename the object. That's expose R ankle. From here, I'd like to go ahead and move to the modify panel to expose the ankle bone. Let's go ahead and scroll up. And there we go. Let's go ahead and check our layers next. We can go ahead and take our two expose nodes and add them to the hidden layer. And now it's time to finish up. We're focused on the right ankle. Let's go ahead and finish this up before moving to the left side. We'll grab our expose node. We'll right-click and choose wire parameters. That's object, local Euler Y, and we'll tie that to our start helper. So that's going to be transform, rotation, 0 Euler, Z. Nice. Let's go ahead and connect and test this out. So as we start to rotate the ankle bone, have a look, everything's working just fine. All right, let's bring our attention to the left side to finish up. We'll grab our expose node. Let's go ahead and right-click and choose wire parameters. So that's object, 0 Euler Y. Now we'll go ahead and select our start helper. Okay, if it does not load in, just go ahead and grab the object and load it in on the right half. From there, we just need to search for the z-axis. There it is. So that's local Euler Y into the rotate Z of our start helper. Now when we connect, as we start to rotate the ankle, you might notice that it's rotating in the opposite direction. No worries. That's simply due to the fact that we had to mirror our ankle system, and it's also moving in a different direction than the leg system. So this is expected. No worries. Let's go ahead and add the negative operator to fix that. We'll update the expression and we'll test this out. Everything's working just fine. That finishes up our work here. In the next lesson, we're going to make sure that all of our muscle systems scale properly as we scale our global control.